Hello everybody, welcome to this video, and I'm here to make a little bit of a confession to you. I have lived in Morocco for almost 11 years and I have never made a tagine until now. This is the tagine. I bought this a couple of days ago. Cost me just 25 dirham. It's a bit of a bargain if you ask me. So I am, as a British person, about to teach Moroccans how to make a tagine correctly. Here we go. So first of all, we're going to take a look at the ingredients that we need. And the first ingredient is, of course, oil. And a lot of people think that you need to get olive oil, but olive oil is really expensive. So really any bad type of oil will do, as long as it has a picture of a tagine on the label. That's all you need to look for. The first thing we're going to do is start by marinating the meat, and this is 21 dirhams from Carrefour, bit of a bargain as well. So the first thing we need to do to marinate anything is to get the spices right. So we are going to start with turmeric first, okay, and then we're going to have a little bit of cumin. Okay, this is going to be a very spicy dish. And then we have some ginger. See, look, the ginger comes out really quickly. I think that's enough ginger. And finally, some pepper. So finally, we add the meat. Oh, I don't know why I'm trying to rush this. Oh my God, look at that. So yeah, we're just going to mix all of these spices together and use that to marinate the meat comme ça, as they say in France. There we go. Look at that. That is delicious. Now, what? Oh yeah. Sorry, I forgot to add the oil. Here we go. Just add that in there like this. This is going to be wonderful, I promise you. It's going to be the best tagine anyone has ever made in Morocco. Here we go. Look at that. That is, and even my fingers look delicious. Yeah, can I have the spatula? So you need to have a friend here to give you a spatula. There we go. Otherwise your fingers get disgusting. I mean, look at this piece of cow. This is amazing. This cow is glad it died for this purpose. Look at that. Oh my God, that's wonderful. So that's now marinated. So we're gonna wash our hands and go to the second stage. And now we have the special secret ingredient, and it is red wine. Look at that. That is amazingly beautiful. So after you've marinated it, what you need to do is add the garlic, and then you add the onion, and then you just add a little bit more red wine. That's good. And now it's ready to go on the stove. So while that's on the stove, I'm going to prepare the vegetables, which are potatoes, carrots, and pepper. And the most important ingredient of all, red wine. So this has been cooking for about 15 minutes now. So smells delicious. Take a look at that. That is gorgeous. And now, of course, we're going to add the vegetables, and we're going to try to do this in a decorative, fancy way. Some carrots on the outside, like this. And suddenly the whole design falls apart. And now we've got the pepper, exactly like this, and the potato. And of course we should have added the potato first, because that's going to absorb the flavors more. But the whole idea is that you hide the meat, because you have more vegetables and meat. And finally, well, not finally, but then we're going to add some dried raisins to really help the red wine come out. Put the lid on that before we add the final ingredient, which is another glass of red wine. And a bit of a carrot. And so, 1 hour later, here we are. Look at this. Take a look. That looks and smells delicious. Now, here's a secret. A lot of people think that you should eat tagine with bread, but the best way to eat tagine is with a good old British knife and fork. Absolutely wonderful. Let's try a bit of the meat. Oh my God. But the best way to eat a tagine is with a glass of red wine. Cheers. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestions of other Moroccan dishes that I can teach the Moroccans how to cook correctly, then leave the suggestion in the comments section below. In the meantime, Christmas Mubarak, everybody.
What? No, I'm
Okay, you're good.
that meat is